couples who are at a crossroads in their relationships have decided to embark on a journey to answer the question, are they meant to be together? So you've agreed to go on a journey where you're going to date other people. Standing in front of you are 24 single men and women, all here for one reason, that's to find love.
This is huge. I'm putting a lot on the line for this.
My best friend in the whole wide world.
There's a very real...
Yep, Temptation Island, the scandalous reality dating series from way back in 2001 is back with a brand new cast of couples putting their relationships to the test. 2 of the 4 ladies tempting fate and their love lives are here with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ET Live, Shari and Kady. Hi, ladies.
Hi.
Well, you guys are looking fantastical today.
Thank you.
This show, I had a sneak peek of the tonight's premiere episode. Intense.
Yeah.
Intense. Normally, when people are at a crossroads in their relationship, they go to therapy. They pray about it. You guys went to Temptation Island. Shari, why?
It kind of just fell in my lap in a sense, and it just seemed like the right thing at the right time. And I know it may seem crazy to some people, but I feel like I got the answers that I wanted.
Sure. Hey, whatever works for you, right?
Yeah.
Kady?
Yeah, I mean, we actually did, pray about our decision for, at least I did, for months and months. I felt like we had kind of been at this crossroads for a little while, and I wasn't really getting the answers that I was seeking. I wasn't really sure. I was still confused, and then this opportunity came about. And, I thought, why not? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Might as well seize it, and I'm glad that I did.
But it's reality TV. We've seen shows like The Bachelor and other shows of this nature. We've seen some less than favorable outcomes. Were any of you afraid of that?
Of course.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, that's always something I feel like was always in the back of our heads when we took this experience on, but sometimes you do have to put it all out there for love and get your answers.
Yeah. Now, Shari, as I said, I got a preview of tonight's episode. You're a little firecracker, you. You're like letting people have it.
A little bit.
You and your boyfriend Javen have been together for 9 years, and you said that you're not in a rush for marriage.
Yeah.
But 9 years together, why the lingering doubt?
I feel like since we got together so young, we've wanted to make sure that it was a next step that felt right for both of us. And I mean, if this experience goes well, I mean, who knows what the future holds? But if it doesn't go well, then I don't know.
Right. Kady, I laugh because you're so open and so blunt about how you want your man to be a man. You're a Southern girl, Some people would say that you're emasculating your man, but you're not, right?
No, I mean, I never intend to do that. It's just, growing up where I grew up in West Texas, I'm used to things being a certain way, and, John being from Dallas, he's considered a city boy.
Okay.
And so, it's just something that, just like growing pains. It's something I just have to get used to. It's like one of those things I either needed to get used to it, or I needed to, let him go and find somebody else.
So I want to know. Define masculinity. What is? And I have to ask that question, Kady, because no spoiler alert, but you're very staunch in how a man should be. So what is masculinity to Kady?
Okay, so to me, oh my God, this question.
Inquiring minds want to know, Kady.
I mean, okay, so I don't think that masculine is the right word because John actually uses the word masculine that I question his masculinity, but that's not actually the case. That's not actually how I would describe it. It's more of just him being more outdoorsy and him wanting to have more of a work ethic, and it's more of a character, kind of having that alpha male mentality and opening doors and getting your hands dirty and kind of traditional. The man being the leader of the household type of a attitude, and that's more of what I'm talking about, and it's kind of hard to define or kind of hard to verbalize what I'm talking about.
I think you just did.
But it's not. Yeah. It's not. I wouldn't call it masculinity, and I wouldn't say that I question his masculinity. He says that. That's not what That's not the word I would have used.
Oh, John, so dramatic.
I know. Seriously, I actually cringe whenever I hear that. I'm like, oh God, I didn't know.
Well, now we've debunked it, so
Yeah.
leave Kady alone. You guys have other friends on the show, Nicole, and you two have formed. Is there like a sisterhood? Is there a group chat that you guys go in and be like,
yeah,
I can't
definitely.
stand
Yep.
so-and-so, she wore this tonight. What was she thinking?
Absolutely, yeah, we're very close.
Yeah.
I mean, we call it a sisterhood. We're bonded for life. We all had each other's back during this crazy experience that nobody else can really understand except for us 4 women that were in it together.
100%,
So, it's really made our bond really strong, and we're gonna be friends for the rest of our lives.
Yeah.
Shari, I have to ask you because again, you're not afraid of letting people know how you feel, be it a male or female. When you saw the singles for the first time, what was like the first thing that popped into your mind? Basic?
I mean, honestly, me and Javen kind of got into it, so I was being a little petty. I feel like I wasn't really too taken back by the singles. I felt confident in my relationship. It was just at that time, me and Javen were kind of bickering a little bit, so it was just me being a little petty.
Okay, well, hey, listen. We grow and we move on, right?
Exactly.
All right, so here at etlive, we love to play games. We're going to play a really quick game, okay? It's called Celebrity Hall Pass. That's the theme song. Now, each of you picked 2 celebrities for the other person, meaning that you picked for her and she picked for you, okay? So, Kady, for you, Shari chose Chris Hemsworth and Chris Pratt.
Okay.
Yes. Shari, why?
I mean, I feel like when I see them, I just I just picture her to like them. Like, they're pretty masculine, and that's what she likes.
Chris has a deep faith, very, very religious.
Yeah.
So who would you pick out of the 2? Aussie Chris or Hollywood Chris? They're both Hollywood, or dad bod Chris.
Or dad bod.
I'm here for the dad bod.
I'm gonna have to go with Chris Hemsworth. He's freaking hot.
Okay, agreed. All right. So Shari, for you, Kady chose Michael Ealy or Idris Elba. Kady, why?
I chose those 2 because I think that they're really hot and they have good bodies, and I feel like they're her type.
Yeah.
She definitely likes a good body, so.
Okay, well, this isn't anything personal, but if I had to choose, I think I'd go with Idris.
Why Idris? I mean, I know why Idris, but why Idris for you?
I don't know, just all around.
Yeah, get it, girl. My mom would go for Idris. I know many a woman who would go for Idris as well. Okay, guys. Well, first of all, congratulations on the show.
Thank
it's
you.
super intense. This is not the Temptation Island from yesteryear. This is a brand new thing, and it's the most, but we like it when it's the most. All the best, you guys. Temptation Island premieres tonight on USA. Make sure you check it out.